Thank you for purchasing a Legends card thickness gauge tool. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let's start with opening the package. Our tool is made with a PVC material, which means it is very durable and strong. Our tool's also waterproof, so don't worry about getting any spills or messes on the tool. It has an easy wipeable surface. The best way to use the Legends card thickness gauge tool is to put the card in question next to the measurements on the card itself. As you can see here, we have a card that fits the 35-point measuring, so that will tell you exactly the type of sleeve you need to protect your card. In this instance, you can see we are looking at a much thicker card, so we need to measure it up against where we're at. Currently it's on the 75 point, and it seems to be a little bit too small. So let's try the other side, where we have a 79 point. Sleeve your card and put it in the proper top loader. And here we have a standard size card which comes in at the 20-point thickness. Just to be safe and double check, we can see that this measures up with the 20-point measurement perfectly. Let's put that in a sleeve and a top loader on that to protect that card as well. With the Legends thickness gauge, you can ensure you are selecting the correct size top loader or magnetic case to protect your favorite investment.